Hi friends, this video shows what happens when I factory reset. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, select about, set factory reset, read the message on the left side. This will restore your device to default settings and erase. That is very important. This operation will erase or delete all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps. Okay, so this is what happens when you do the factory reset. It will delete all files and it will sign out from your Google account. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and select factory reset, then set erase everything. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.